Hey there, my name is Lauren. I'm a beauty blogger and YouTuber, and today I'm going to be teaching you a little bit more about MŌDA's new Minis Travel Eye Kit. So this brush set is an ultra portable, super tiny and adorable 5-piece brush set. So you first get this cute little carrying case that you can use to protect your brushes if you're throwing this into your backpack, your travel bag, you're taking it with you for a weekend, or anywhere you need to use these brushes on the go. And then inside you have 4 super tiny, adorable miniature eye brushes. Now, even though these have really super petite, tiny handles, they do still have standard sized brush heads. So when it comes to blending in your eye makeup, you're gonna get the same performance that you're used to using any of your other standard MŌDA brushes. So the first brush is the Crease Brush. This is a staple in any eye brush collection. You can use this to buff color into your crease, which is what I did today. It's really soft and fluffy, so it's going to make it very easy for you to diffuse that color and get a perfect blend. Then next you have the Smoky Eye Brush, which is sort of like an oversized pencil brush. So I used this brush today to apply some dark matte shadow to the outer corner of my eye, just to intensify my look and make things a little bit more dramatic. But you can also use this brush on your lower lash line to buff in color if you want to kind of smoke things out, hence Smoky Eye Brush. But I found you can also use this to apply an inner corner highlight as well because of its nice pointed shape. Just make sure if you're gonna do that and you just use this brush to apply a dark color to the outside of your eye that you clean the brush off so that way you don't get dark eyeshadow all in your inner corner highlight. Then next you have the small shadow brush. Now I use this brush today to apply this really pretty purple metallic eyeshadow all over my lid. This is a nice flat packing brush, which is perfect for those foiled metallic shadows, or even a matte shadow if you want to just pat it and really intensify the color and pack it on to a specific area. You could also use this brush to apply your eyeshadow primer base, whether it be like a glitter glue type primer or your standard eyeshadow primer before you put your eyeshadow on. Finally, we have the angle liner brush. This is again another brush staple. You can use this to line your eyes either with shadow or with a gel pot liner, or you could even use this to smudge out a pencil liner if you prefer to use those. And this brush also doubles as an eyebrow brush if you need to fill in your brows with a brow powder or pomade.